Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering your Magic Lantern RAW files and the right tools. Copy the original RAW files to an SSD so reads are fast. Keep folder names intact. Install RAW 2 DNG or the MLDNG exporter, plus Adobe Camera Raw or DaVinci Resolve for color grading. Check the camera metadata, frame rate, crop, bit depth, and exposure bias so you convert with matching settings. Once done, run RAW 2 DNG on a small clip to confirm conversion parameters before processing the whole shoot. You now convert and import for editing. Batch convert using RAW 2 DNG, specifying FPS and crop so frames match timeline timing. Once converted, import the DNG sequence into Resolve or Lightroom as an image sequence. This preserves frame-accurate timing. Choose a linear decode or camera profile on import so highlights and shadows behave predictably. Once graded, switch to Rec. 709 or Rec. 2020 for delivery. Make sure to render a short test clip to verify motion cadence and color response before full grade passes. You finish by grading and exporting. Start with primary corrections, exposure, white balance, and contrast, using waveforms and vector scope for accuracy. Then add noise reduction and careful sharpening, because aggressive sharpening breaks RAW detail. Choose a delivery codec like ProRes or DNxHR and match timeline resolution and frame rate. If you see banding, corrupted frames, or sync drift, reconvert the problematic clip with a different RAW decode setting or try RAW 2 DNG's alternate demosaic. Often that fixes artifacts without reshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.